Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Canon Pixma TS 3350, and now I'm gonna show you how to copy documents in color on this device. To do it, you just need to click on the color button. In this way, you will copy documents from your copy place. So now it will scan my page. I have no page here, so I will print blank card right now. So you will see it. It's just scanning this plate right now. So wait a while, and here I have just blank white paper card. As you can see here, we have the place when we need to locate the card we want to copy, and if you will locate here any document, it will print it. For example, here I have I don't know, any document. Here I have, for example, document with network information. You don't see. Yes, it's here, and if I want to copy it, I just need to locate the paper card in this way. Then close the lid and click black to copy in black and white, color to copy in color. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.